Today I'm going to turn this into this. Hi everyone, Belinda here from Belinda's DIYs. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating with Dollar Tree already made Valentine's decor. I'll be making a few adjustments here and there to them, but nothing big, I promise. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree has such pretty Valentine decor right now that I didn't want to do anything to them, just use them as is. So if you're ready, let's get to decorating. So first off, I just wanted to show you my fireplace mantle, and as you can see, it's pretty much bare except for that mirror. Now I have these two windows on each side. So what I'm going to be doing is just adding some hearts from Dollar Tree to them. Dollar Tree has these heart wreaths and I think they're so beautiful. They're made out of felt, I believe, and they have a little bit of glitter to them. I just really loved how they look just as is, so I decided to use these and hang them over my mirror and also one on each of my windows. I'll be creating a hanger for them and I'm going to be using this glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree. I had this Christmas ribbon left over, so I'll be using this. Now all I'm going to do is place the ribbon between those two hearts as you see me do right there. And all I'm going to do is just add some hot glue on the center of the ribbon and then lay the other ribbon on top, and that way it'll adhere together. I'm going to be using 3 of these heart wreaths, but I'm only going to make this hanger for this one here because this one's going to go over my mirror. So I'll be hanging it over this mirror right here, and I'm just kind of making sure that it's pretty much in the center, and I'm going to hang it by using some hot glue and applying it to the hanger that I made with the ribbon, and then I'm just going to place it over my mirror, and it should hold temporarily, and that's why I'm going to use the hot glue because that is not a permanent hold. And the one over my windows, I just used the little hanger that the wreath came with and I just hung it to the little bracket that the balance has there up at the top. I'm trying to show you, but my camera won't focus, but I'm pointing at it right there. And so there's this one, and then there's the one in the mirror, and then there's the other one on the other window. And that was easy peasy. Next, I'm going to be adding some greenery to my mantle. Now, I know this is not a Dollar Tree item, but I always like to put some sort of greenery on my mantle. So I will be adding some decorative mesh in this hot pink color and also the light pink. Now, I want to apologize because I thought my camera was rolling and it wasn't when I added this mesh to the greenery. One of the problems I run into when I put some greenery on my mantle is that it keeps slipping off. So what I decided to do is add some duct tape so that it would stay in place, and I'll go ahead and show you where I positioned it, and it worked out beautifully. Here you go. I'm showing you that I laid it out so it's pretty flat. You really can't see it unless you stand over it. So this is a great little hack that I came up with without having to use command hooks. So I really like this better. So if you're having problems like I am, perhaps you can try and use this and it'll help so that your greenery can just stay put. Next, I'm going to create a banner using these glittered hearts that I absolutely love. And to attach them together, I'll be using this jute cord. Now, this I purchased at Walmart, but you can use the Dollar Tree jute twine. Now, I like this one because it's nice and thick, and since I'm going to use it as a banner, it'll work really well for that. These were new at my Dollar Tree, these hearts within a heart. I absolutely love them. Now what I'm going to do is just remove the tag it has and also the hanger that it comes with. Once I put them in the order that I want them to be, I'm going to go ahead now and turn them over to their back side. And this way I can go ahead and hot glue the jute cord on the back side. And I used a ribbon holder to determine how far apart I wanted my hearts to be. And now it's ready to hang my banner. I used the extra cord on each end to tie to the greenery. Fortunately, the greenery had some wire to their stems. For the mesh, what I did is I intertwined it in between and around the stems of the greenery. Next, I'm going to be adding these different heart picks. Now, these are also from Dollar Tree, so you have the ones that are small and large and these that are hollow in the middle. And they're just different, but they're so pretty. I'm just going to be breaking off their stem and then just inserting it inside the greenery. And now using 2 more of these hearts, what I'm gonna do is attach them together by using some more of that jute cord and also some little heart scatters. So once again, I'm gonna turn them over on the back side, and then I'll be cutting a piece of the jute cord and I'll be attaching them on the back side. Now, as you notice that one heart is going one direction and the other heart is going on the other direction. And I'll also be using the ribbon holder to also space them out as far as I want them to be. And now that I've turned it over to the front side, now I'll be adding the heart foam right there on the cord. I'll be making another set just like this one. And then on the top back side of the top heart, I'll be adding another piece of ribbon to use it as a hanger. And here I'm showing you that I've already hung one of these sets, and now I'm gonna hang the other one on this other side right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna hang this other one on this side, and I don't know if you can see, but I did add some hot glue directly on the stone wall. I went ahead and I cut the center hearts because I didn't like how they looked. Since the hearts were turned to one side, they weren't hanging correctly. And then lastly, for the mantle, I added these white candlesticks. These tags were new at Dollar Tree. And then I also put these really pretty tags on the side of my fireplace. This one here says Valentine's Day with this really cute mic. And they also had this one that says love is all you need with the red truck. So of course I had to use this one as well. And I just placed both of them on each side of the fireplace. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this Dollar Tree Valentine's Decorate with me. I would really appreciate it if you would like and share and also comment. Please be safe and also have a very blessed day. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.